here at the historic Zabels farm. The many dry stone walls around the property are a testament to the craftsmanship of German migrants in the 1850s. We're going to be talking about, from an engineer's perspective, some of the considerations that need to be made around dry stone walls. Arishdeep, I thought we might start with the importance of having wider road verges near dry stone walls.
Road design plays an important role in protecting dry stone walls. So wider verges help protecting aesthetic value of dry stone walls by minimizing traffic impacts. It provides better conservation. It provides space for maintenance, and if we are looking at from the safety side of things, it does protect pedestrians from falling stones. And then going from the protection of the walls, it discourages vandalism, theft and destruction of dry stone walls, and help facilitate communities' appreciation of these great assets.
What are some of the other considerations that need to be made where there's traffic near dry stone walls?
Things like when we are siting dry stone walls, things like vehicle lanes, traffic volumes, approach to intersections, speed of the road, any other traffic matters, they must be considered. So technically we should avoid higher order roads that require road safety barriers in vicinity of dry stone walls, as road safety barriers will reduce aesthetic value of dry stone walls. So wherever possible, we should be siting these or locating these dry stone walls in low order roads, local roads, collector roads. And when we talk about openings within the dry stone walls, we should be considering where the crossovers are, where the intersections are. As longer the wall is, more aesthetic value and presence of the wall is.
Arishdeep, we've talked a lot about, from a landscaping perspective, the importance of that 2.5 metre buffer either side of a dry stone wall, but there's an engineering perspective that needs consideration too in terms of underground infrastructure.
So it's very important to consider offset of underground infrastructure because it minimises the conflict between service delivery. When we talk about service delivery, it is about constructing the services, it is about maintaining the services and the conservation of dry stone wall. So it provides that buffer. In addition, it also helps in reducing the injury risk to whenever the works are happening for either conservation or for the services.
And what about drainage schemes with regard to dry stone wall management?
Yeah, as most of the dry stone walls are in greenfield subdivisions, so drainage is a very important part. The surface flows from adjoining land or developments must be considered while we are undertaking dry stone wall management plans. Because it's very important to consider any potential cause of restriction to these surface flows from these dry stone walls.
Thank you so much for sharing an engineer's perspective on dry stone walls.
Thank you very much.